The world is changing, faster than we ever imagined. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is everywhere. It's in our homes, our workplaces, and even in our pockets. It's changing how we live, work, and make money. From automating mundane tasks to making complex decisions, AI is revolutionizing every aspect of our lives. Imagine this, earning passive income effortlessly, thanks to AI. Picture a life where your money works for you, not the other way around. No more trading time for money. No more 9-to-5 grind, just financial freedom. AI can make this dream a reality. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now, all around us. People are using AI to generate significant passive income. They are leveraging technology to create streams of revenue that flow in 24/7. Think $1,000 a month or more without lifting a finger. Imagine the possibilities with that extra income. The best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. These tools are designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone. This essay will be your guide. We'll break down the steps you need to take to harness the power of AI. We'll explore the exciting world of AI-powered passive income. From the basics to advanced strategies, we've got you covered. You'll learn how to leverage AI tools. No technical jargon promised, just clear, actionable advice. Just simple strategies to unlock financial freedom, strategies that anyone can implement. Ready to join the AI revolution? Let's dive in and discover how you can start earning easy money with AI today. We've all heard the promises: earn money while you sleep, build a business that runs itself. The allure of passive income is undeniable, but the reality? Often much harsher. Traditional passive income streams like blogging or affiliate marketing require a ton of work up front. Creating content, building an audience, optimizing for search engines, it's a grind. And even with consistent effort, success is not guaranteed. Then there are investments: real estate, stocks, bonds. They all require significant capital and carry inherent risks. And let's not forget about the time commitment. Managing investments, researching opportunities, it's not exactly passive. So, what's the solution? How can we tap into the promise of passive income without the headaches? The answer lies in embracing the power of AI. Enter artificial intelligence. AI is transforming the passive income landscape, making it easier than ever to generate consistent revenue streams. But how? AI excels at automation. Tasks that once required hours of human effort can now be done instantly by AI. Imagine writing blog posts, creating videos, or managing social media all on autopilot. That's the power of AI. But it gets even better. AI is also incredibly intelligent. It can analyze data, identify trends, and make predictions with remarkable accuracy. This means AI can help you optimize your passive income strategies, maximizing your earning potential. With AI, the possibilities are limitless. Whether you're a blogger, an entrepreneur, or simply looking for a way to earn extra cash, AI can help you achieve your financial goals. AI tools for easy profits. Your passive income arsenal. Ready to start building your AI-powered income streams? Imagine having a suite of tools at your fingertips that can handle everything from content creation to marketing and even investment management. The good news is there are countless AI tools available, each designed to simplify and automate different aspects of passive income generation. Whether you're a blogger, a marketer, or an investor, there's an AI tool tailored to your needs. Take AI writing assistants, for instance. These tools are revolutionizing the way we create content. These powerful tools can generate high-quality content in minutes, from blog posts and articles to social media updates and even scripts for videos. Imagine the time you'll save and the consistency you'll achieve in your content strategy. This means you can scale your content creation efforts exponentially, reaching a wider audience and driving more traffic to your monetized platforms. The more content you produce, the more opportunities you have to engage with your audience and generate income. Then, there are AI-powered marketing platforms. These tools are designed to take the guesswork out of your marketing efforts. These intelligent systems can analyze your target audience, optimize your advertising campaigns, and even automate your email marketing, ensuring maximum engagement and conversions. With AI, you can fine-tune your marketing strategies to achieve the best possible results. And let's not forget about AI-driven investment platforms. These are game changers for anyone looking to grow their wealth passively. These platforms use sophisticated algorithms to analyze market trends and identify profitable investment opportunities, helping you grow your wealth passively. By leveraging AI, you can make informed investment decisions without spending hours on research. The future is AI. Your passive income potential awaits. The AI revolution is here, and it's changing the way we think about work and income. The future of passive income is AI-powered. Those who embrace this technology will be the ones who reap the rewards. Imagine a world where AI handles the heavy lifting, freeing you to pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, or simply enjoy life. This is the promise of AI-powered passive income. The best part? It's only the beginning. As AI technology continues to evolve, the opportunities for passive income will only increase. The potential is limitless. Take action. Start building your AI-powered income streams today. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. The time to act is now. Start exploring the world of AI and discover how it can help you achieve your financial goals. There are countless resources available online to help you get started. From free AI tools to comprehensive online courses, there's something for everyone, regardless of your budget or technical expertise. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take that step today and unlock the incredible potential of AI-powered passive income. Your future self will thank you. Now that you've taken the first step, let's dive into some advanced AI tools that can supercharge your passive income strategy. These tools are designed to streamline your efforts and maximize your earnings with minimal ongoing input. First up, let's talk about AI-driven trading bots. These sophisticated programs analyze market trends and execute trades on your behalf, 24/7. Imagine making money while you sleep. It's possible with the right algorithm. Platforms like Binance and eToro offer user-friendly interfaces to get you started, even if you're not a trading expert. Next, we have AI content generators. Tools like Jasper and Copy.ai can create high-quality content in seconds, perfect for blogs, social media, or even e-commerce product descriptions. This not only saves you time, but also ensures your content is optimized for search engines, driving more traffic and potential revenue. Don't forget about AI-powered customer service bots. Implementing these in your online business can significantly reduce your workload. Tools like Zendesk and Intercom use AI to handle customer queries, leaving you free to focus on scaling your business. Finally, consider AI tools for data analysis. Platforms like DataRobot and H2O.ai can analyze vast amounts of data to provide actionable insights, helping you make informed decisions quickly. This can be a game changer for any business looking to stay competitive. Getting started with these tools is easier than you might think. Most platforms offer free trials or affordable starter plans. Take advantage of these to experiment and find what works best for your needs. Tutorials and community forums are also invaluable resources for learning and troubleshooting. The future of passive income is here, and it's powered by AI. Embrace these advanced tools and watch your income streams flourish. Your journey to financial freedom just got a whole lot smarter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.